What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi Sue about to do this hairdo. So if you're interested, stick around and keep on watching. Boo. Boo.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am back with another beauty. Today's unit is truly just put it on and go. Just put it on and go. You ain't got to do nothing. This is a 5x5. Okay, so it's pretty wide and you get a lot of parting space. And when I tell you all I did was put it on and go, that's all I did. I just put it on and I'm ready to go. I did blow dry it because it came in the box. It did have a little bit of kinks in it, but for the most part, it is bone straight. It is a straight Yaki texture, which is truly my fave. Y'all don't understand. This hair, it is the thickness, the coarseness, the little bit of texture. It's giving, it's us, you know, and I will always love us. Anything that really compliments us, I am all here for it. Okay, I am all here for this type of hair. It is super pretty. Today's unit is by Klaiyihair. I have worked with them so many times. Another great company that has really top tier, high quality hair. Super stunning. She is so pretty and so full. These are the ends. I didn't do anything to the ends, so I'm just leaving it as is. I just love this. Now, when it comes to straight hair, I tend to just wear it straight. If I want curls, I'm gonna go for a body wave, anything with some sort of curl in it. But when it comes to straight hair, I like to just wear it straight because it's going to give you the most bone straight, sleeky, silky type of look with less effort. Like, you don't have to put a lot of effort and do a whole lot of stuff to this. Like, it's just ready to go. And if you go out and it's humid, it's not gonna frizz up on you. The curls are not gonna flop because there are no curls. Like, it's just one of those units that is always going to be perfect no matter what kind of climate you're in. All the information is going to pop up right here, all the specs on this unit. I know you guys have seen me work with Clay many times, but I'm telling you, if it's not good hair, it doesn't make it to the channel. I promise you. Okay, I'm not wasting my time because I don't want to waste your dime. You get what I'm saying? Okay, 10 out of 10. I do recommend this. This is stunning, high quality. It is super pretty and super full. It is just a beauty. The way they cut the lace on it, it was perfect. There was no extra cutting needed. I mean, and the plucking on this, the hairline, I'm going to give you a close-up in a minute, is perfect. Like, you don't have to do anything. And when I tell you, you don't have to do anything, like, if I'm kind of conscious about the lace, I'm going to do baby hairs. But this didn't need any baby hairs. It doesn't need any baby hairs. Like, it's ready to go. It is perfect. Make sure you check out Clay. All the information will be down in the description box. So let's go ahead and get into the styling and application of this beauty. Let go.
Draw me in when you handle me that
I mean, how much more easier could you possibly want a unit to get? Nothing done. Just put it on. Just a little blowout and a little pressing to make sure it's nice and straight. But there's nothing, there's no lace to lay. As soon as I put it on, it looks good. I did put a little bit of my spray, my melting spray, to take away from any kind of ashy look, just to make it melt in a little bit more. And I didn't even tie it down. That's how good it is, and it fits so good. And the air cutout, a lot of companies need to get into this. That air cutout is so comfortable on that air. Like it's just perfect up underneath there. It feels so comfortable. The hair is, I love it. I truly do. I love this. This is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. I can't get enough of it. It is so pretty. Listen, make sure you check out Klaiyihair. Y'all already know, 10 out of 10, I do recommend. I am not trying to waste your money, girls. Okay, so if I come in here trying to recommend you something, I'm telling you it's good. I'm telling you it's good, and I wear it. It's something that I wear not just for the videos. If you follow me on my vlogs, you know that I'm wearing my units. I'm wearing them, all right? And it's also great for the fall season. It is beautiful. Make sure you check out Clay. All the information will be down in the description box. Listen, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share the video because sharing is caring. Comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. And until the next video, take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys really, really soon.